Introducing the game changer in sleep monitoring, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. With its revolutionary built-in sleep apnea detection, this cutting-edge device is about to redefine how we track our sleep. Just granted FDA authorization, Samsung has achieved a groundbreaking feat, becoming the first company in the United States to receive clearance for using its sensor technology to identify sleep apnea. Now, what does this mean for you? It means that Samsung's gadgets, including the highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 7, come with the assurance that their detection algorithms can accurately pinpoint sleep apnea. Imagine having a personal sleep assistant right on your wrist, guiding you towards better sleep quality and overall health. But hold on, let's be clear. While the Galaxy Watch 7 boasts incredible sleep apnea detection capabilities, it's essential to remember that it's not a replacement for a professional diagnosis. As Samsung rightfully emphasizes, consulting a qualified therapist is still crucial for comprehensive care. Mark your calendars. The Galaxy Watch 7 is set to hit the shelves later this year with sleep apnea detection available as a key feature from the get-go. And while we're eagerly awaiting its arrival, there's a bit of mystery surrounding whether earlier Samsung watches in the US will receive this exciting upgrade. Stay tuned for updates. As we delve deeper into the significance of sleep apnea, it's evident that this condition often goes undiagnosed and untreated, leading to potential health complications. With Samsung leading the charge in sleep technology, it's no surprise that other manufacturers are taking note. The Galaxy Watch series already includes sleep apnea detection in South Korea, setting a precedent for innovation in the industry, while competitors like Apple are striving to incorporate similar features into their devices. Patent issues have posed challenges. However, with the Galaxy Watch 7 on the horizon, it's clear that Samsung is poised to deliver a game-changing experience. Now, what are you? We're dying to hear your thoughts on this groundbreaking Samsung product. Are you excited about the Galaxy Watch 7's sleep apnea detection feature? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting updates. Peace out.